Alright guys, this is a quick video. I haven't made any videos about our coasters yet. This is a prototype coaster for Shelby. Actually, here was the first one. I didn't really like it much. Then we did a polished version. Then we did this version. This one came out much nicer. Came out beautiful, actually. We have Raiders, Oakland Raiders, and Las Vegas Raiders. I'm seeing some dust on there too, sorry. Of course, Cowboys. It's a customer for a customer. Las Vegas Knights, Off-White, Bentley, I Love You. These were some Valentine's themed ones. Of course, we have several of the Forex currency pairs, and our most popular one is the Raiders coaster. So use your imagination. We have a couple different styles. This is one style here. It's called the spiral pattern. Then we have polished, raw aluminum, unfinished. Well, it's not unfinished, but it's just not shiny in any way. Of course, don't forget the smiley face. We actually kind of made this one by accident. We have different bottoms as well. So this is just an example of some of the coasters that we make. I'm not going to show you guys anything else in this video because I could be here for an hour showing you different stuff we make. So this is just a quick video about our coasters. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, like future videos, leave a comment. We will be doing giveaways where we give away sets of coasters, bricks, knives, lighters, all kinds of custom stuff. So check it out, guys. Thanks.